Hey folks, this is all about how to put your Xbox One that you bought 3 years ago when Fallout 4 came out back in the box so you can sell it to your friend at work for a highly discounted price because you're playing it on PC now. You have a really kick-butt PC and you can play it on PC and you don't need it anymore. It's just collecting dust. So we're going to open the box here. I haven't opened this box in 3 years. Let's see what's in it. And remember, this went around the actual Xbox. And this box is in here, so that's kind of cool. Let's see what's in here. Oh, alright. We got Fallout 3. Okay, so you could get Fallout. There's a code for Fallout 3. Xbox Live code. Interesting. Cool. And instruction manual, which I never used. Oh, quick setup guide. Okay. Leave that in there. I'm pretty sure this guy knows how to do that stuff. And then there's a warranty. And here's the, okay, so here's the spot we're looking for here. Right off the bat. So this comes off, this top part, which is pretty handy. We're going to do that. We're going to take that off. So, take the Fallout 4 disc that originally came with it. Make sure the disc is in there. It is. Put that in there. The power box, you got two cords here. Go together, right? So you take this cord, and I left the little thingy on it. So, twist tie. That's what that thingy's called, twist tie. So you can take this guy, twist him up again, just like he was back in 2015. November 2015. How do I remember that? Well, I'm a big Fallout fan, but also I saved a receipt. So it probably cost $423. Is that right? $400 back then, brand new, with the Fallout disc. Alright, so I could put that back in one of these bags, I guess, if I wanted to. Yeah, why not? That'd be cool. Alright, so it looks like cord's probably going to go here on the outside. Oh, look, it also came with a headset, which I never used. It's still in the bag, so that's cool. Alright, this guy, this is your capacitor. Okay, so when you first unplug that, there's a light here. It's on, I think it's red. It's really weird. Like when you first unplug it, the light stays on for a while. That's because this is a capacitor. It still has a charge. So just unplug it, let it sit for a minute until that light goes out. Because even though the chance of you shocking yourself is pretty low, why take that chance, right? So, pretty sure that went in here. So I'm going to wrap that up in here. And Carl is going to be surprised when he sees this looking like it's a factory condition. And it is in factory condition because I'm very gentle with my electronics. Alright, so that I'm not going to do that. The Xbox goes in there. The capacitor goes in there. We can wrap up this power cord here. Like so. Alright. That power cord can go there. Now, the only thing left is the controller, which we can put in there. And I left the batteries in there for him, so the controller's still fully functional. I'm going to go ahead and I'll wipe that off a little bit for him though. So that's a little dusty too, and he doesn't need to have my fingerprints all over it. Okay. Yeah, like that. So there you go. So that's set. Oh, that's probably what this is for. This is probably where the controller went originally. Yeah, see? Controller's right on there. And there's a number there for something. Serial number, controller, packer number, whatever. We'll put that in there, make that look real nice. There's something, I don't know what goes there. There's some extra thing. Maybe that's just where this cord goes. And that cord goes there. Alright, so these tabs go in the back. Like that. Tuck it into the sides. These flaps go in. Right? Got it? And then these guys go in at the same time, like so. And now that's good. So now that's the first part that's going to go in this bigger box here. But here's the tricky part. The tricky part is the Xbox goes in as well. So what we'll do is we'll put this down like so. Take out these, whatever the heck those things are, styrofoam? I don't know. Like that. So put this guy over here. Like that. Now, we take the actual Xbox, which was laying behind the TV set, and as a result, it was really dusty. So dust off your Xbox. Looks like there's a little tiny scratch. Not that bad, actually. Not even a scratch, really. Okay, put the foam things on the corners, like so. And if you want to sell this thing on eBay or whatever you're going to do with it, that's great. Good luck. I'm giving my boy a deal here because I don't have to deal with eBay or Craigslist or any of that other happy stuff. Because frankly, to me, that stuff's it's complicated. If anybody wants to tell me how to simplify the process of selling things on eBay, getting ratings and all that kind of stuff, you can go ahead and put that in the comments below because I'd love to hear it because I don't particularly know how to do that. Okay, so here you go. That's in there really good now. And that's it. So now lift it up like so. These flaps like that. That flap like that with the handle first. This one goes down like that. Put the handle all the way through. Lock it up like that. I even saved the little stickers. I could put the stickers back on to keep the cover. Because this was a collector's. You know, they always sell. I mean, now they sell all these Xboxes. Now they're selling the Xbox S. And they're selling the Xbox X. So you can buy those brand new, and they'll sell them with a game. They'll sell them with like Minecraft or Red Dead Redemption or something like that, or Fallout 76, which I hear stinks, which is a shame because I love Fallout 4. Was pretty fun for me. All right, so I'm going to get some new tape and tape that on there so that it looks nice and transports well. Alright, so I don't know if you can see this, so I'm going to put the tape, the little tape right there, and I'll use one over here too. And that's it. And now my buddy Carl's going to get what looks like a brand new Xbox in the box that originally came in. That's where everything goes in the original box, in case you bought one a long time ago and forgot and you want to sell it on online or to your friends. So there you go. I hope this video, this reboxing video, I mean most videos are unboxing videos, right? This is a reboxing video, and I hope that helped you in some way. And if it did, like, and it's always sunny when you share. So like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Peace. Take care.